welcome back to the channel guys. Today I will discuss about how you can set a custom URL for your YouTube channel. आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि कैसे आप अपने YouTube चैनल के URL को चेंज कर सकते हैं और अपने नाम कर सकते हैं. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Press the bell icon for more YouTube related video. So let's start the video. So when you will click on the share button on your YouTube channel, then you will find one URL like this one where my mouse pointer is there. An uneven URL is there, studio.com, youtube.com/ucvgmdm4zgizc70zq4asog. So an uneven URL you will found. So today I will show you that how can you edit this uneven words or letters and you can write your name on the URL. So you have to visit to your you have to go to your ytstudio.com. Then you can have to go to customization tab. You have to click on to the customization tab. Then you have to go to your, here it is called branding. Here it is branding. Click on that branding, scroll it. Now here you can change your logo, your channel art, and you can put your watermark. So our main topic of this video is how we can change our video URL. So you have to click on this basic info tab where my mouse pointer is scrolling. So you have to click on the basic info tab. Then you have to go down, and here you can see it is channel URL. This is a standard web address for your channel. It includes your unique channel ID, which is the numbers and letters at the end of the URL. So you share this total URL. You share this total URL, and the odd one is this uneven number, this uneven letters of your channel. So to change this URL, you have to click on set a custom URL for your channel. You have to click on this, and by clicking on this you will find a custom URL of your own name, of your own channel. YouTube will set a custom URL for your channel in which the channel name is registered in YouTube. So here it is written there like https://www.youtube.com/c/devjyoti. You can also add letters or numbers after your the name. You have to click on this option, and you can add your add any numbers or letters as you want. Okay, you can add extra letters or numbers to make your custom URL more unique. Okay, so I will not make any custom URL of my own channel. I will not add any letters or numbers. I will simply select this one. Okay, then you have to go to this publish option. Then you have to click on this publish. Here is a confirmation message that once a custom URL has been set, it can't be changed or transferred to a different channel. Your custom URL is ready to be set as https://www.youtube.com/c/devjyoti. Then you have to click on confirm. Then your YouTube channel URL will be created. You can share this also, this link also, or you can select, it is easy to remember this one, that https://www.youtube.com/c/devjyoti. You have to copy this link and you have to paste it in the web browser, and you have to search. Your YouTube channel will open. Like I am searching my YouTube channel by clicking on this link. Suppose I am copying this link and I am going to new web browser, new tab, and I am pasting this link. Then I am clicking enter. As you can see that my channel has been opened. So in this way you can select your custom URL. In this way custom URL plays a unique role in getting viewers hook. So you have to set a unique custom URL where you can share it in any of your social platforms like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Telegram, any of your social networking site. Your content must be unique and your URL must be unique. So in this way you can change your YouTube channel URL. So I hope this video is really very helpful to you for your channel. If you like the video, please hit the like button and click on the subscribe button for more YouTube and tech tips related video. So up to then, goodbye.